Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out one of the most popular kids bikes on the market, the RoyalBaby Freestyle Classic and Easy Balance Bike, available in 12, 14, 16, and 18-inch models for ages 3 to 10 years. If you're looking for a durable, safe, stylish bike for your child, this one has a lot going for it. Let's get into it. Build quality. RoyalBaby is known for their strong, child-friendly designs, and this model is no different. Key features include a sturdy steel frame built for stability, wide pneumatic tires for better grip, dual braking system on most models, front caliper and rear coaster, comfortable ergonomic child seat, stable training wheels included on smaller sizes, a unique easy pedal-to-balance switch, allowing it to be used as a balance bike first. Pause. This makes it a great learning bicycle for beginners. Safety features. Safety is a big part of RoyalBaby's design. You get non-slip pedals, enclosed chain guard, responsive brakes, thick stabilizer wheels 12-16-inch, wide handlebars with soft grips. All this makes the bike feel secure and confidence-boosting for younger kids. Sizing. Choosing the right size is important. Here's how RoyalBaby sizes usually match kids. 12-inch, ages 3-4. 14-inch, ages 4-5. 16-inch, ages 5-7. 18-inch, ages 6-10. The seat height is adjustable, so your child can grow into the bike. Riding experience. The RoyalBaby Freestyle is smooth and surprisingly stable. Kids will feel balanced due to the frame geometry. Secure with wide tires. Comfortable on bumps. In control because of the handlebars and braking system. Pause. And if you're using the Easy Balance feature, beginners can start without pedals and then transition to full cycling, making learning much easier. Assembly. This bike arrives 85% pre-assembled, so putting it together is simple. You install handlebars, seat, pedals, training wheels optional. All tools are included in the box. Should you buy it? This bike is perfect for parents looking for a safe, durable kids bike, a balance-to-pedal transition model, a cool, sporty design, something that fits multiple age groups, a reliable, well-built frame for daily riding. Pause. Yes, it's absolutely a strong choice if you want a long-lasting, confidence-boosting bike for your child.